Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am in my salon suite. Had a little time to kill, so I thought I would just pop on here really quick and talk about some eyelashes. Now I know that this is not a new thing by any means, but Ardell just came out with some. So these are the magnetic lashes in the style Wispy. This is definitely like my favorite kind of eyelash to wear. I wear the Wispies all the time. So here they are, just regular. So these are the magnetic ones. So you get a top layer and a bottom layer, and they're supposed to just magnetize to each other. No glue needed. Also, you guys will have to, please excuse me for my fingernails. I've just been like repainting them whenever they chip. So there's like 50,000 layers of black nail polish, and it is, it's a look. Again, here's what they look like. You have the top lash and the bottom lash. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous and a little excited. Also, can we just for a second talk about this shirt I have on today? I thought that this was like the perfect shirt. I got this at Forever 21 and I'm obsessed. So if you've never used eyelashes before, I always just like hold them up. So these are gonna go on this eye, these are gonna go on this side. Just rule of thumb. So I'm gonna very gently take these off. I'm like already afraid that I'm gonna like mess this up. Okay. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. Okay. Okay, so we just lay this on top of the eyelash. And I already have my eyelashes like curled. This is tricky. Oh my god, this is tricky. I watched videos, people made it look so easy. Oh, okay. It would have worked except for the glue that they used to secure it to the actual like packaging is tripping me up. Okay, let's try this one more time. So we put the top lash on. Ah, it's that glue. They put it on the like the bottom corners. So like here and on this side. So do your best to hold it in the middle, I guess. Make sure I'm in focus. Ooh, lighting, yes. I'm like trying so hard not to blink. Oh, you guys, this is not easy. It's like, okay, so as you guys can see, it is not all the way on, and it's because the magnets are so strong. So like with a normal eyelash, I just like move it back into place, but like I can't do this with these. Third time's a charm, right? That's what I'm telling myself. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to be giving up my glue anytime soon. Oh my god. No. I hate this more than I hate anything. So I think I figured out kind of like what you're supposed to do. So I'm going to hold the top one, hold the bottom one, like so. Place the top one on. No. Okay, there it is. So that's how you put it on. It's not great because first off, it's way too wide on my eye. So I'm actually gonna trim it really fast. but there are little tiny magnets that are shining. And so I want to cut the very ends off. So I'm going to be cutting one of the magnets off, but they're too wide. I feel like I just messed up. So now let's see how it does like once you trim them. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it. So now it's like a lot better since I like trimmed it. So again, we place. Nope. And we're there we go, kind of. No, no. No, God. It's like I want to adjust them so bad. It's like I can already tell it's not gonna stay. And that is probably like the best that we're gonna get. And look, it's like not even connected. So like, if you guys can see, like it's not even connecting. Oh, it's so frustrating because like I love Ardell and I love their lashes, but I feel like magnetic lashes are just not for me. It's a fail. Like I look like this is the first time I've ever applied eyelashes in my life. I'm gonna stick to glue. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.